Welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Ninja SP101 features a height of approximately 3 inches, has a 45% larger usable pan cooking area, and takes up 50% less space when flipped up to store. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven is a multifunctional electrical oven that occupies less space on the countertop. It has a vertical design that takes up minimal space and can be easily stored in a cupboard or closet. Both are sleek and easy to clean designs. The Ninja SP101 offers 8-in-1 functionality including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. Meanwhile, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers 1-to-1 touch digital presets, including French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep warm. While both have distinct setting options, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers more options. The Ninja SP101 is equipped with digital crisp control technology, offering precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for ultimate versatility and optimum cooking performance. It also cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven-on-air roast. The Gourmia air fryer oven has advanced fat removal technology that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. Both products offer healthier cooking methods, but Ninja SP101 features crisp control technology, making it the better choice for those who want to achieve mouth-watering results. The Ninja SP101 is priced at $149, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at a mere $53, making it an affordable option for those looking for a versatile oven with various cooking features. That concludes our comparison video for the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. We believe both products have their unique features, so it depends on your specific preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in our next video.